Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Face ID and Passcode and tap on it. You'll be asked to enter your phone's passcode, so go ahead and type that in. Now, if you've already set up Face ID, you'll see the option to reset Face ID, which lets you start fresh. But if you've never set it up before, you'll see Set up Face ID, and that's what you'll tap. A screen will pop up explaining how it works, and you'll just tap Get Started. Now position your face inside the frame that shows up on the screen and slowly move your head in a circle. Once the scan is complete, you might get the option to add Face ID with a mask, but you can skip it by choosing Don't Use with Mask. After that, your Face ID will be set up. Next, you'll see a section that says Use Face ID for, and it's important to go through this list. Make sure you turn on options like iPhone Unlock and Payments, so your Face ID works where you need it. You can also enable it for apps that support Face ID, like banking or password managers. This way, you won't need to type in your password every time. Just a quick scan of your face will do it.